Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to our very spooky 224th edition of Har-Ber Wildcat News and our Halloween special. There's a few new faces behind the desk as we look to continue the legacy of the Har-Ber television program. I'm Jordan Benford.
And I'm Chloe Hester. On today's episode, we're going to be taking a trip right down the road to Siloam Springs as we visit one of the most well-known haunted houses in the region.
Plus, the annual pumpkin carving contest is just minutes away as we crown the new king or queen for the television program.
There's no time to waste. Today is October 29th, 2021. Halloween is just a few days away, and Har-Ber Wildcat News starts
right now. As Halloween is approaching, Chloe, did you know that Halloween is the second most celebrated holiday in America? And during this time of the year, many people are looking to get their adrenaline pumping and heart racing. What better way to do that than a haunted house?
Here in Arkansas, one of the most top visited haunted houses, the Warehouse of Fear, ensures you have the highest quality haunted house experience. Our media team took the opportunity to test this haunted house out for themselves. Connor Jenkins has the story.
I'm Connor Jenkins, and I'm here at Riverside Entertainment's Warehouse of Fear. And me and Cameron Boland are about to go through this. I've never been through one, and I don't think I'm gonna get that scared. So let's go take a look.
I don't know if I want to go through this alone. I don't want to do this.
We've actually been in the haunted house 10 years. We started out a year before that with a hayride, just to see if there was any interest in something like this in the area. And it went over really well, and so we decided we want to go bigger and better. So every year we try to grow it. We employ about 60 people during the month of October, so it brings some income into Siloam. We have a great following in Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, all the areas around here. So.
Okay, we're going through, and oh, there's someone on the table. Someone on the table.
Nope, you're good.
No? Okay. Someone, okay.
Watch, there's gonna be someone in the
Okay, someone through. Oh my God! Oh, you were the one banging on the door. Oh my God! Oh my God!
One day we were building a pirate ship out there, and she's like, "I need a pirate. How's your pirate accent?" And I was like, "I'll try." And from there it just sparked. Ever since then, we try harder and harder, and I do more and more, and it gets funner and funner.
Be warned! The crew hasn't eaten in weeks!
Well, I don't want to go through that. If they haven't eaten, I don't want to go through.
Oh, I like this song.
Oh, I don't want to eat.
He's Connor back there.
Oh my God! That's not funny!
Oh, this is awesome.
We want each room to be like a movie set, so it's very easy to immerse yourself into something that's not reality. We pride ourselves in that. We want to get a reaction out of you. It may be somebody screaming or crying, or maybe somebody laughs all the way through. As long as they're having a good time and enjoying it, then we're happy.
Well, I just earned some new nightmares, but I definitely suggest this place if you love to be scared. Right off 412 here in Siloam Springs. It's Riverside Entertainment, Warehouse of Fear. Come check it out. For HBWN, I'm Connor Jenkins.
The Warehouse of Fear is open this weekend from 6:30 p.m. through 11 p.m. Be sure to stop by and tell them that HBWN sent you.
Jordan, did you know that haunted houses have ghosts?
In other news, our annual pumpkin carving competition took place this past week, and I can honestly say HBWN reporters Kavion, McKenzie, and Eva Cood did not disappoint. Trevor Lawson has a story.
Hey guys, we're here for our annual pumpkin carving competition. Today we have Eva Cood and KK. These contestants will have 15 minutes to complete their pumpkins. May the best person win.
KK, go! KK, start! Hey KK, where'd the ghost go on vacation?
I don't know. Where did it go, Eva?
Malibu? What do you get whenever you cross a vampire and a snowman?
I don't know. What do you give?
Eva, I got one.
Okay.
What do you think it's like getting kissed by a vampire?
I don't know.
It's a pain in the neck.
Ow. What do you call an ow whenever it's a jokester?
I don't know.
A hoot.
Okay, now that 15 minutes is up, you want to describe your pumpkin for all of us?
Yeah. So it has a mouth, has one eye, as you can see right here. It's misinformed.
If you were to rate yourself out of 10, what do you rate this pumpkin?
Of course, I rate this like 100. Like, if I don't win.
That's not out of 10, so I'm just going to go to Eva. Eva, please describe your pumpkin and features and show us it.
These are its eyeballs, and its eyebrows are a little sharp, you know?
Interesting design choice, I will say. Okay, I think it's pretty clear who the winner is here. KK, with the graphic design, here...
This year's pumpkin carving champion is Kevion McKenzie, and after a controversial upset that disrupted the entire E-Hall, tag us on social media and show us your best pumpkin carving skills.
In the meantime, we are going to take a quick commercial break to hear from a few of our sponsors who make this show possible. But don't go anywhere. When we come back, we will take a look at a piece by Kristen Joyner and Abigail Springer, plus our highly anticipated Nursery Rhymes with Sherman.
Fun fact, the first jack-o'-lanterns were actually made from turnips.
Okay, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
If you want fast, easy, and affordable service, visit McClarty Daniel.
Keep your vehicle running like new in our state-of-the-art service facilities. We know your time is valuable. Our factory-certified technicians with decades of experience will get you in and out and back on the road quickly. We service all makes and models at our 6 convenient locations in Bentonville and Springdale. Open 6 days a week.
Visit McClartyDaniel.com to schedule your service appointment today.
On the counter, find a hole, Garrett inside the 5, touchdown Springdale. Shot good! Wide open Trey Smith, touchdown Har-Ber Wildcats!
The Springdale Chamber of Commerce is among the top 1% of chambers in the nation to be honored with a 5-star rating by the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. We work each day to make our members more profitable through programming and events that strengthen our economy, help to create jobs for a growing population, and support the needs of a diverse community. We make Springdale a better place to live. Learn more about the Chamber and Springdale by visiting our website, springdale.com.
Hello, my name is Donald Tucker. I'm the owner and award-winning pitmaster of bbqfunding.com. I'm here today to tell you we are the company that runs the last fundraiser you will ever need. For 15 years, I have competed across the country in competitions like Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue, as well as the American Royal. And now we want to use our talents to bring you competition quality, fully cooked, slow hickory smoked barbecue to meet all your fundraising needs. Through bbqfunding.com, we can show you how to raise all the money your team, organization, even your entire school. And what if I told you it only takes 1 minute a day? When was the last time you didn't have to worry about how you were going to pay for the things you needed, let alone the things you wanted? bbqfunding.com can deliver that for you. You don't have to carry around an order form, collect any money, handle any products, or go door to door. That's right, this fundraiser is also pandemic safe. Our team does all the work for you, and all you have to do is give us 1 minute a day. I want to personally thank each and every one of you for the opportunity to help continue to not only serve you, but also your community. My passion is serving others, and I'm dedicated to you and investing in your future. So take the leap and join the movement that is BBQ funding.
Welcome back, Wildcats. The word witch comes from the Old English word wysie, meaning the wise woman. In the next story is a special take on just how to create the spookiest witch's brew in all of the land.
You'll definitely want this recipe for all of your Halloween activities this year. Christian Joyner and Abigail Springer were standing by with the story. Take a look.
Hey guys, welcome back to the cooking show. I'm Tex and I have a new guest, Kristen Joyner.
Hello.
Today we are going to be making a special Halloween punch for you, and I'm sure that it will be.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah, I bet.
The best punch ever made.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It'll make everybody jealous.
So first, what are you pouring in, Abby?
Booger sauce.
Ooh. From those kids.
Yeah, from the kids that are down in the basement.
I had to go get the snot earlier. Oh yeah. I think we need more.
Need more?
Yeah.
Okay.
We love the snot.
Mm-hmm. You gotta add all of it in there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, don't let it. You can't waste any of it.
Oh.
All right,
yeah.
perfect.
Okay. Next is our chunky snow.
Chunky snow.
We had to go all the way to Alaska to get this. So.
Alaska or Antarctica?
I'm in Antarctica.
Yeah.
We had to go all the way to Antarctica to get this, so it's very valuable.
Yeah.
Let's put it on.
Oh, just all of it? Okay.
Just keep going.
Just spray it, yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on, we need to mix it.
I think,
yeah?
There you go.
Yeah,
Keep mixing.
Yep.
More.
Yep.
Yep. There you go.
Oh, we're really getting the texture here.
Oh, yeah. I think the spiders like the snow.
Yeah, I think so too. They're getting
Brings out
caught
the
in
flavor.
it. Yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah. Okay. I can't.
All right, hold on.
Cheers.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
It's Yummy! Oh yeah. Okay. I just want to say I'm so proud of this punch. Like I've never tasted a better punch.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the best.
Yeah. It's better than like who's like a jack-o'-lantern punch.
It's better than any jack-o'-lantern punch I've ever had.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you some other time. Bye.
For more recipes, be sure to tune in to HBWN in the future. We still have our Thanksgiving special and Christmas special coming up this semester.
Now, our final story of the day comes from Mr. Sherman. Mr. Sherman is the greatest, most impressive, and beautiful teacher in all of Har-Ber. He definitely did not make me write this, and it is on my own free will. Since I have been a part of Har-Ber, he has shown me the path of a better life, a better education, and a better me. His hair is made of unicorn feathers, and his sense of humor is on par with Kevin Hart, although he is a lot taller than him. But don't let me try to convince you, see for yourself.
Hey Sherman, can you come read this nursery rhyme?
Three men at a top. And who do you think they were? The butcher, the baker, and the candlestick maker. They all sailed out to sea. That was enough to make a man stare.
Well, on that note, I think it's time to wrap this show up.
Yes, please. On behalf of the entire Har-Ber Wildcat News staff, we want to send a happy Halloween out to everyone. Be sure to be safe and have fun. But above all else, tune in next time for our Thanksgiving special, where we learn how to cook a turkey, learn about the history of Thanksgiving, and much more. For HBWN, I'm Jordan Benford.
And I'm Captain America. Chloe Hester.